You're posting on YouTube, but you're not getting clients, right? So most people think it's because they need more views, but that's not the problem. I just reviewed the client's channel. He's posting every week, but he's still not signing clients from YouTube. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes I found and how to fix them so your channel actually brings in high-ticket clients or sales. We'll break down his channel and videos step by step so you see everything that's wrong. And stick around to the end because I'll reveal one mistake that kills most people's YouTube channel without them even knowing. Jay, thank you so much for your time. As promised, I would deliver this today. Yeah, it's pretty late out here, but this is the last thing I had to do, and I was like, I was gonna do it, so like, let's get straight into it. Thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and yeah, this is basically Jay's YouTube audit: how to scale to 100K a month in 10 minutes. LOL. It's a simple YouTube video funnel. So it's basically an audit of your channel, what's working right now, and what I think can improve. So I'll start with the branding. First off, I love your bio. It's pretty simple. I've scaled I've helped scale 10 to 20 plus online coaches and info businesses. I'll show you everything I know. I use myself so you can scale your coaching and info business to 10, 20, 30K a month. Then me Instagram at jrodgringbiz to learn more. So it's the two things working here are like it's proof based. It's a proof based hook. So immediately people say you've helped 10 to 20 people, okay, this guy he's helped a lot of people. So just some a little bit of trust built up, and it's super straight to the point. There's no fluff of this emotional story, which there's a place and time for that, but it's straight to the point. Like, hey, this is what this challenge is about. This is what I'm going to help you do. So I really like that already. The improvement basically is a pretty simple improvement. All we have to do is adding the bullet point summary of everything they'll get. So the reason we do this is we max their curiosity as okay. Now it's okay. Jay can help me grow scale my coaching business, my info business to 20, 20, 30K a month. But it's like, okay, there's like 1,000 more J's that promises that. What makes you different? Like, okay, been there, I've seen this before. Oh, it's another 17-year-old kid promising. Just understand the mind of where the your viewer comes from. They've seen this before. It's like, okay, yeah, been there, done that. Like, okay. So, but the one thing we can use as a simple differentiator is once they come to your channel, they view your channel and they check your bio. It's okay, and they say, basically after your hook of I've helped 10 to 20 plus online coaches and info businesses, I will show you. Then instead of basically saying I'll show you everything, basically you just say I will show you how to sign high ticket clients without posting guru content. That's like a big method belief a lot of people have. Oh, I have to post guru content before I can make money from posting content online. You don't really need to. Another one is the simple acquisition that's made me 10K plus a month as a complete beginner. So basically, or as a 70-year-old entrepreneur, basically the age 10K something is like, wow, okay, how's he been able to do that? Next is how I signed a 5K return with less than 10K followers on Instagram. A lot of people also think you need like a huge following. You need like hundreds of thousands of followers before you can sell your coach. You don't. You know that you don't. You understand? So basically, once we reframe what they are going to get and tell them this is what makes this special. You immediately stand out in the crowd. It's not, oh, this is not and it's another dude, another 17-year-old kid named Jay who's promising this and that. Oh, he's promising this, but this is what I'm actually getting. What is the simple acquisition system that's going to take me to 10K a month? How did it take you to 10K a month? How did you sign a 5K retainer with less than 5K with less than 10,000 followers on Instagram? Because if they are around 3 to 5,000 followers, I'll be like, okay, it can happen for me as well. So how to scale your info business without running ads or sending 1,000 cold DMs a day. So a lot of people, this one, they think, oh, they want to run ads, but you don't really need to run ads, especially when you're starting out. You don't really need to run ads. You don't need to send 1,000 DMs a day. So these are things that your audience is currently experiencing. And then once we frame them that this is, I will show you how to basically get what you want without dealing with all this BS. Immediately, you've built more trust with them. You built more curiosity because they want to know. Now they are more curious. Now they are more curious to like subscribe to your channel, to check you out on Instagram, to watch the videos. Because like, okay, this guy is different. So there's just a simple reframing through bullet points. You're different. So that's like the first thing we need to do is basically like add these bullet points to make you stand out. And then next thing could be like the CTA should include a benefit like DM me on Instagram at jrodbringbase to scale your coaching business to 10 to 30K a month. So they need a reason to DM you. So we should never assume that because this is where a lot of people lose like leads is on YouTube is they just DM me the word, but sometimes we forget that the person didn't really watch the. Maybe they watched like 3 minutes of the video and then they got distracted and they came out to check out your channel profile And then the one thing that could have made them convert is reading your bio and then seeing that, okay, if they DM you the specific word or if they check out your landing page, this is what you're going to get. And they're like, okay, I can let me just check it. It's free. So that's the whole point of these two reframes, adding a bullet point and the benefit to your CTAs. It gives people a reason to stick around. Then for the links, it's I like there's not really much to say about the link. It's a direct CTA. The improvement could be just DME system to instead of saying just DME system, DME system to scale your coaching business to 10K a month. Really simple. And then the picture looks really nice, simplified acquisition. So I think the shapes to me, except they have a significant meaning to you. I don't really care the shapes. I'll be real with you. If except the circle, this square, and this triangle all mean like something. I do understand the gear icon, but if it was like an icon of a human being and then an icon of maybe them getting ignored and an icon of them making money, I think that will resonate more. But if there's like a more significant meaning to that, just let me know. And then the pros is clean professional photo, looks good. Immediately I see this, I'm like, yeah, I want to work with this guy. Yeah, it's a clean professional photo. It's a nice banner with a direct promise. Simplify your acquisition system, your client acquisition. It's simplified acquisition. Um, simplify your simplified acquisition. Simplify your client acquisition. So now this is a bit. I forgot about this. Sorry. A bit repetitive. So basically, you are saying the same thing again. Simplify the acquisition, simplify your acquisition system. So instead of just saying, what's the correct spelling of that? Sorry, English isn't my first language. So a bit repetitive. Yeah, that's it. So basically, we're just repeating the same thing. Simplify the acquisition, simplify your client acquisition. So what I think is we could just try to simplify your client acquisition, and then we add a dream outcome to the banner. Okay, like simplify your client acquisition and scale to 10K to $10,000 in less than 90 days. So it's just again, it's just reframing is simplify your client acquisition. Anyone can promise this. It's very surface. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Anyone can promise simplify your client acquisition. But what takes it to the next level is the differentiators. Okay, scale to 10K in less than 90 days. Okay, how I did it, maybe whatever based on your own unique system, adding the dream outcome based on your unique system. So it's not just on the surface level because when people see this, they are not visualizing anything. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. There's no way to simplify to visualize simplifying your client acquisition. Okay, how do I simplify it? What does it look like? Do I need to is from posting several times a week? Do I need to post once a week? Is that because that is that is simpler? So how does it look like? What are the specifics? So the thing it's missing is the specifics that make you stand out. Because like I said, if they come on your channel and they see this, is okay, it's another J promising client acquisition, but they can't really visualize what they are going to get. So that's basically um yeah. So that's basically the most important things about what we can prove about this is it's a bit repetitive and we can make it more bro, my English is today is horrible. Make it more visual. It's a bit repetitive and we can make it more visual for everyone because we have to imagine everyone coming here. So okay, this is what you're going to see, this is what you're going to get. So that's basically making it more visual, adding the dream outcome that your audience cares about. And then content. The machine that actually generates the results. Bro, you are doing good in the content front. I have nothing. I don't really have much to complain about. You're posting consistently. That's the first thing I loved. Of like he's posting consistently. That's good. He has very good. Your thumbnail game is pretty good. Um, very confident on camera. Then you're creating problem based um content. So this isn't fully, but yeah. So the improvements I saw we could make because I checked out a couple of videos was okay. We could use more proven formats for video titles, then creating content based on outlier videos in and outside of your niche. Then one thing I think would be go a long way is like scripting an intro and a CTA for every video. And the CTA of the video too. So basically the video should have two CTAs. A soft CTA directing them to hit you up on Instagram, and then a hard CTA asking them to check out the next video. Basically to fill in the gap. For example, if you make a video on how frequently you should post on Instagram, okay, now you know how to post, but if you don't know how to create hooks that stop your audience from scrolling, you're never gonna attract high ticket clients. So you're never gonna scale to 10K a month. But this is how to do it. Then we send them to another video that basically
teaches them how to write hooks for their Instagram content. Or we send them to another video that teaches them how to script Instagram content. Or we send them to another video that explains. Then maybe from that video, we send them to another video that shows them the strategy. That, okay, now you know how to make the hooks, but one video is not gonna go make you go viral or attract your dream clients and help you scale to 10K a month. You need to actually understand this strategy. And so we take them down the rabbit hole. And that's the essence of this of a simplified problem-based content YouTube funnel. It's pretty simple. We identify each problem the audience has, and then we literally turn our YouTube channel instead of just being top of on top of the funnel to send to the Instagram page, to send to the Instagram page or your landing page. Basically, YouTube becomes a cycle. So people come in and they stay in the ecosystem of J Rod Green. They keep watching your videos, they keep consuming, they keep building trust. So at the end of the day, the goal is to get them to by 4 or 5 videos they're ready to book a call with you. Because okay, this guy he knows so much. He has to be the solution to my problem. So that's the essence of like scripting the intro and the CTA for every video. Because I think just scripting that alone is gonna have crazy changes already. It's scripting it and using more proven outlier based like titles by basically researching creators inside your niche. And what most people don't do outside your niche is not just about for some people, okay, I make business content, so I'm just gonna look at what Alexa Moses is posting. No, you need to look outside the niche. What are people in the gaming niche posting? What titles are working there? The cooking niche has what title is working there? In the entertainment niche, what titles are working there? Because those titles are universal. It's universal ways of gaining attention. So we just need to look at what they are doing and make it work for our channel. Like, okay, if I frame my title of my video like this, to gain people's attention, even though it's a business-based content, but it works because the psychology behind the way every human works is the same. So that's why you can take a concept that works in gaming, entertainment, music, you bring it to business, and it still works because it's the same psychology. So that's these are basically the improvements. Then creating the video funnel for new subscribers so you can build trust and authority faster. Yeah. So one thing I realized is there isn't like a landing page on your YouTube, and yeah, I think that's because you're sending all your traffic to Instagram, which I don't really have a problem with that. But you could capture secondary people who don't want to. Some people would not want to what's it called DM me on Instagram because it might be too stressful. So the the system with less friction will be just having a page where they could book a call, a simple landing page with a VSL, a headline telling them what they're going to get, why they should book this call with you, basically outlining that you understand their problem and you have the solution that's going to work for them. So I think yeah, I'm going to add that as well because I could have swore I added all this. No, I'll just add this. Oh, I did. Creating the video funnel for new subscribers so you can build trust and authority faster. Okay, so like the video funnel is the whole system of linking a video to another video to another video. So basically, your audience watches more of your content, they build more trust with you, they spend more time with you, they get to see how you think, and by the end of maybe a week or two, they are ready to book a call with you. And so by then, we could just add the call. Yeah. That's basically it. So we can literally capture because there'll be two types of people: the people who want to DM me on Instagram because they want to have a chat first, and the people who just want to book a call. They could be super busy. They don't want to chat on Instagram. They just okay, this thing might work for me. Let me just book a call. And so I think we are missing an opportunity by not like having a landing page to capture those people who just want to book a call. So I think I'm wrong about this. I think I did see in the last video you posted there, this one. I think I did see the calendar there. But yeah, this is everything I noticed. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I think if we just improve this, especially on the scripting aspect, scripting, let me put it in bold, and creating the video funnel on YouTube. So basically to build trust with your audience, build authority with your brand. So like Jay is that guy in the niche. Like everybody wants to work with Jay because it takes a lot to keep the system going. It takes a lot to optimize the system, and that's what I'm here to do.
If you want your channel to bring in clients, there's still 4 steps you need to know. I cover it all in my free 25-minute training. Click the video on your screen right now to check it out. Peace.